My name is Ruchika Shukla. I'm a life coach, and I particularly focus on alignment coaching, which means bringing alignment between our thoughts, feelings, actions, how we show up in the world, um, to bring different parts of us into alignment with each other. And in alignment coaching, I also do a fair bit of creative movement to so also including the body mind connection and bringing alignment between that. So what I've always actually, since I was a teenager, when I had first started doing yoga practice, I had realized how much my body speaks to me. And a lot of the things that before my mind could comprehend my body, like intuitively, I would feel things in the body. So that is how my journey with the body and understanding how it understands the world began. And in 2018, I did a diploma in creative movement as a creative movement practitioner. And since then, there is more focused journey on understanding the mind-body connection. My journey with nonviolent communication started in 2011. That's when I had first read the book. And it was like, just reading the book, it simply made so much sense. Since then, I have been using NVC as a way of both understanding my inner world and engaging with the world outside. So in this workshop in 2 hours, we will initially begin by just increasing our movement vocabulary, so just, I'm guessing people from all backgrounds might be there. So just getting more familiar with movement and listening to music and moving. And after that, it will be more of a free flow where it will be completely participant led. So that there will be some prompts and you just listen and move and just notice what happens when you hear certain words, when you move in a certain way, how do certain needs come up in the body. Look forward to with all of you and exploring feelings and needs and how they express in our body together. See you there.